Team XXT, we are up to 65% of material that is recyclable and has been certified by a third party. We have 35% of material that is already recycled, and we can use that. We are working with suppliers for green steel and green copper. And then, is a nice example, we have a recycled fishing net that we are using for our accessories. For our customers, circularity, circular economy is very important. They have a clear commitment on that. So what they are looking for? They are looking for partners. They are looking for suppliers that share the same commitment on this. So when they are looking for a new data center or a new solar plant, they want to have a partner with them with the same commitment on sustainability and circular economy.